Hello developers, welcome to the demo from Canarys Automation. In this video, we'll see one of the essential components of the company, that is generating discounts on invoice and mail back in PDF format. So the overview of the bot is like this. Basically, bot will ensure whether the vendor is entitled to discount or not. So the bot will retrieve the emails from the vendor and save the attached invoices which are in Excel format. And the bot will allot discounts based on client code, and it will mail back the updated invoice in the PDF format to the respective vendors. So now let's see what are all the resources we need. So first we need UiPath Studio X for coding, and Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Excel, and acme-test.uipath.com for generating invoice and disk. So let's understand the flowchart of the bot. At first, bot will open the Outlook. It will check for the vendor invoices. Then it will save the invoices. Then it will check for the client discount. If the client discount exists, it will mention the client generated client discount in the Excel. If not, it will mention the client discount as 0 in Excel, and it will save the invoices as PDF. We may feel complicated to understand these four steps. So we'll understand these four steps with the help of Microsoft Excel and this website. As I said you before, this will help us to generate a discounted price with the help of client code. So let's try to understand with the invoice. I have an invoice with the client code 564. I will copy this client code and paste it in this website. Now it generated some discount price. So the bot will copy this value and paste it in the same Excel and save it as a PDF. So I have one more use case with the client code 678. So I'll copy this 678 and paste it in this website. Let's see what it will give. Here it says client doesn't have any discount. So what it will do, bot will consider it as a 0 and it won't mention anything in the invoice. See, it didn't mention anything in the client discount place. Then it will save the PDF. After saving the invoice as PDF, the bot will mail back the invoices to the vendors and it will stop the flow. Now jump into the bot demo. As I said before, at first bot will open the Outlook. So here we are using action called use desktop Outlook app. So it will take consider default email account and it will refer to the my inbox. So as I said before, we use this website for generating invoices. We'll click and we'll enter our email address and we'll click on I'm not a robot. So it will basically send us the invoices. So here are the received invoices from the vendors. So here we have 4 invoices. So since we have 4 invoices, the bot will iterate through all the emails and it will download all the attachments in a desired location. And if you want, we can overwrite existing files. With the help of action called use browser Chrome, the bot will open the discount generator app. Then it will iterate through all the invoices and get the client code and try to enter in the website with the help of action called type into. Then it will check whether the customer is entitled to discount or not. So if it is entitled to discount, the it will mention the discount generated value. If not, it will mention 0. Then here we'll mention our company name and email ID. Then afterwards it will save the Excel as a PDF. Then it will send the email to the. Let us run the bot and check. At first it will open the discount generator website. Then it will iterate through all the invoices. So the bot is run successfully. Let's check our Outlook. Let's check for today's invoice. See here we got a invoices for today. So they are all in PDF format. See, client code is 564, discount is 100. Let's check invoice 2. Client code is 678. As we checked before, for client code 678, we didn't get any client discount. So it's mentioned 0. And it's the same for invoice 3 and invoice 4. That's all developers. Here we come to the end of the demo. Thank you so much for watching our video.